is there anything to be concerned about with regard to this eruption? Is there anything medium or long term?
Wala naman kasi again, ano lang naman, this is a phreatomagmatic eruption and it lasted only for 4 minutes from 5:58 to 6:02 and madali na siyang na-dissipate. Although there were dalawang barangays na nag-report na may ashfall, pero maninipis lamang. And siguro ang maging concern lang natin dito would be, of course, the ash and the sulfur dioxide. So, ang payo natin sa ating mga kababayan na kapag may ganitong pangyari, they have to wear face masks.
Okay. Anong area sir ang malamang naapektuhan nung dust o ng ash?
Yung sa western side, sa may Laurel and sa may Agoncillo, may dalawang tig-isang barangay na may abo. Reported na abo.
So ano po ang alert level ngayon dun sa volcano?
Nasa alert level 1 pa rin yung Taal Volcano and hindi pa rin natin pwedeng itaas ang alert level from alert level 1 to alert level 2 kasi we're looking at yung parameters natin collectively. So for now, ang pinaka-importante na parameter is the number of volcanic earthquakes. And so far, for the past 24 hours, dalawang volcanic earthquake lamang yung naitala natin. And very crucial yung volcanic earthquakes. So, ibig sabihin, may magma na umangat at binabasag yung mga bato. So kapag dumadami yung volcanic earthquakes natin, yun yung kailangan natin pagbandayan.
Doc, pwede niyo ba Doc ipaliwanag anong ibig sabihin ng mga alert level para sa ating tigapakinig? Anong ibig sabihin ng alert level 1, alert level 2, alert level 3, no? Para maunawaan ang ating mga tigapakinig.
Yung alert level 1, meaning meron tayong, we started at alert level 0, no alert. So, quiet, all monitored parameters are within the background levels. Alert level 1, low level unrest or merong abnormal activity. And then alert level 2, increasing unrest. Alert level 3, increased tendency towards hazardous eruption. And then yung alert level 4, hazardous eruption imminent. And yung alert level 5, yung highest alert level natin, ibig sabihin nito, hazardous eruption ongoing.
Sir, yung
Doc, pwede bang mangisda ang alert level 1? Pwedeng mangisda sa Taal Lake?
Yes, pwede naman as long as hindi sila mag-venture inside doon sa Taal Volcano Island. Kasi bawal talaga, that's a permanent danger zone. And anything could happen, pwedeng magkaroon ng phreatic eruption or phreatomagmatic eruption. Hindi po natin mapipredict yan.
Doc, anong alert level na magkakaroon ng evacuation?
Alert level 3, i-evacuate na tayo. Pero yung alert level 1, alert level 2, wala muna. Ang pinagbabawal lang natin is yung permanent danger zone, dapat walang tao.
So pwede pong dalawin yung mga resort doon sa paligid ng around the Taal Lake. Maraming resort dyan eh. Pwede pa rin puntahan nyo ng mga bao.
Yes, pwede naman po kasi ang pinagbabawal lang po natin, even at alert level 0, dapat walang tao doon sa Taal Volcano Island. For as long as hindi ka pupunta doon sa Taal, yung mga inanod ng turista dati, yung nilalakbay, may mga kabayo pa, bawal po doon.
Naku, Doc, balak pa naman ng Ed Lingaw pumunta dyan sa bulkan.
Ano naman nakita mo?
Para i-cover. Hindi na niya mako-cover ngayon.
Hindi Doc, ganiwala dyan.
Doon lang sana.
Doc, itong sulfur dioxide volume, how does it factor in? Pag mas malaki ba ang volume ng sulfur dioxide, it's it's a sign of more imminent eruption?
Yes, ibig sabihin kasi may source ka ng, yung sulfur dioxide mo, ang source nun would be the magma. So kapag meron kang sulfur dioxide, ibig sabihin may magma ka on the shallower part. Otherwise, kung wala kang magma dyan, walang mag-produce ng sulfur dioxide.
Tapos yung sulfur dioxide box, I think is also a main ingredient in flatulence eh.
Di ba sa kanya, di ba asupre yan? Di ba nasa kanya, sa impyerno?
Yes, that's right, asupre.
Yung sulfur dioxide, di ba sa impyerno yan, asupre?
Kaya nga
Diba
yung amoy.
Yes, asupre, yes, sulfur dioxide.
It is the smell.
Asupre.
It is the smell of
Doc,
hell.
yung kanlaon.
Marami rito, Doc. Amoy asupre na eh.
The
Doc,
smell
yung
of hell.
Canlaon, kumusta? Anong situation dun sa Canlaon Volcano? Kasi nag-a-act up din siya ngayon eh.
That's right. Nag-iingitan yung dalawang vulkan. Yung alert, Canlaon Volcano is on alert level 2. And for the past 24 hours, nakapagtala po tayo ng 11 volcanic earthquakes. And yung sulfur dioxide kahapon, nasa 2,524 tons per day lamang. This is much lower than what we have measured noong December 1, na umabot ito ng 9,377 tons per day. So right now, again, alert level 2 pa rin yung Canlaon Volcano, and tinitingnan pa rin natin yung, like sa Taal Volcano, tinitingnan natin yung parameters collectively, and if there are dramatic increases in the parameters, then we need to raise it to alert level 3.
So Doc, wala pa namang possibility na lumabas diyan sa vulkan si Godzilla.
Okay.
Baka kasi bigla lumabas eh. Tapos
Doc,
labanan
pag
yung-
alert
tapos
level
labanan
1 ba,
yung kwan.
pwedeng...
Tapos Andy, labanan yung impeachment.
Doc, kapag alert level 1 ba, pwedeng lumipad ng medyo malapit yung mga eroplano around the volcano? O kailangan na silang lumayo kagad?
Yes, ang advice namin is yung aircraft should not venture near the volcano kasi po pwede po kasi magkaroon ng sudden phreatic eruption. Hindi natin malalaman kung kailan magkaroon ng phreatomagmatic or phreatic eruption. So they should avoid flying near the volcano.
Kasi that causes wear and tear as well in the engine eh. Ash yan eh.
Oh, yung usok. Yung usok.
So, yun. Anyway, maraming salamat, PBOX Chief, Dr. Toto Bacolcol. Thank you for joining us this afternoon.